Hey everybody, I'm here to do a quick tutorial video on how to create a Facebook fan page. Now, a Facebook fan page can be done from any personal profile. The only good thing to know before you start is that when you create a fan page, it will be permanently attached to the Facebook profile that you created on. Which means if you're doing it for your employer and you want to, let's say, quit later on or anything else happens, that's going to be permanently attached to you, and the only way to actually get that detached from your profile is to delete your profile and recreate it, which is obviously not a good option. But yeah, that would be the only situation that I would say to be careful with that. Now, to create one, down in the left-hand corner, you're going to see some applications here, one of which is this one that's Ads and Pages. And you'll see that. Let me move this right here. If you hover over it, you see that it's Ads and Pages. If you don't have a Facebook fan page already set up, that will not show up. And the easiest way to set up your first fan page is going to be I'm going to open up a new tab right here, and I'm actually just going to search Facebook fan page. And this is really just the easiest way to get there. So right here you say Pages on Facebook. It's from the Facebook domain, so I'm just going to click it real quick, and it's going to take me to the page to create it, and I say create page right here. Now, just really quick, I'm going to double back, and back on my personal profile, I'm going to click that tab that says Ads and Pages, and it's going to take me to that same page, except I have a bunch of fan pages already created. Some of these are mine, and some of these are clients that I'm managing. Now, any of these, you can click on the actual title of it to look at it and see, the actual page, or you can click Insights, and let's do Insights on mine. Um, Under Insights, you'll be able to see, let the data load for a second here. You'll be able to see statistics on your visitors and the people who are joining. And as you can see, I have a kind of an even distribution of male to female, and obviously more of my audience is in the younger range. I have a few people over the age of 55, but not that many. And you can see here when I started my fan page and how it's gradually risen, and I don't really have that many people unsubscribing, which is great. But this is a great way to see what you're doing, and it kind of helps you find out what's working and what's not. So that's the Insights page, and allows you to, basically see how how good of a job you're doing. Now, going back into here, to create the fan page, you say Create Fan Page. Pretty easy one. And then now here's a big one. This is stuff that you can't change, so be careful when you're doing this. Now, what I'm going to do local, and I'm going to do probably business service. I'm actually creating one just for fun. And business service, professional service, that's what I'm looking for. And name a page, I'm going to say BNI Vermont. BNI is a great organization, and it's great for launching any local business. So that's going to be the permanent name of the page. That's going to be the permanent location if people are actually searching for it. And you can't change this later on, so again, make sure that you like it. And then all you have to do is say create page. Now, once you've created the page, you obviously want to become a fan of it yourself. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to launch it yet. I need to get some more information in. But this acts almost exactly like a Facebook profile page. So you can add a profile picture, you have a wall, info, you can add contact information. You have different tabs here, and what you can do is you can add a photos tab, links, events, anything like that. Discussions is a great one. If you're trying to do discussions and obviously get people's opinion, that's a great one to have. Pretty self-explanatory once you add it on. If you want to add something on, this is discussions, you can say start a new topic. If you want to add something on and then remove it later on, you just click on, once you're in the tab, you click on the little pen and say delete tab. Now, over here you have edit page, which we'll get to in a little bit. You can write something about it, which is a great way to get some extra information. And then here's your wall again, just like a personal profile. So one of the different things about fan page rather than a profile page is that if you go into edit page, there's going to be